Residents of Gumtapura, a village located on the borders of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, celebrates Gore Habba festival in the same way as folks celebrate La Tomatina of Spain, but instead of tomato, they use cow dung. Hello everyone, this is Margesh Rai and you are watching Swadesi VIP. This video is about a ritual practiced in Karnataka. The locals mark the end of Diwali with a cow dung fight every year. This festival is more than 100 years old. Now, how this festival is celebrated? Let's talk about it. In the afternoon, the participants visit Gosala or homes where cows are kept in the village and collect their ammunition. The cow dung is then brought to the temple in the village on tractors. After a pandit blesses the village, the manure is dumped in an open area. People flock to Gumtapura from far flung cities each year and celebrate this festival in a vibrant and joyous mood. Cow dung is believed to cure every health issue of the person playing or even watching the game. It's a religious belief that residents of Gumtapura holds in their minds. What is cow dung? Cow dung is a mix of indigestible plant material, water as well as other substances excreted by the animal's intestine. Cow dung is one of the prime resources which help us in numerous ways. It is one of the abundant and renewable resources which are less expensive and easily available biosource. Furthermore, it is known as the vital source of gas production in India. The Cow Dung festival is celebrated all over India in which cow dung fight takes place. It's an interesting game. Now let's come to the uses of cow dung. Cow dung as biogas and fuel. Cow dung serves as a fantastic fuel. Dung from domestic cows or buffalo is utilized in different forms. It is gathered and dried for fuel after it is mixed with straw. The selection of materials is lit to give the fire and flame for preparing food. Even in North America, people are utilizing the stored energy in cow dung, however, in an indirect manner by the production of biogas from the dung. Biogas is a fuel combination created by the anaerobic, that stands for in the absence of oxygen, digestive process of organic material by bacteria. Animal dung, sewer system, plant material or food waste are all examples of organic matter. A biogas plant is a device used to digest the substance. The generated gas can be utilized as fuel. Now let's come to cow dung as construction material. Cow dung is often utilized on the floors of the village or rural homes in India and may also be applied to the walls. The combination enables the water resistant layer which helps to protect the residents from heat and has no awful smell. Cow dung is mixed with a straw dust via a novel method for producing construction bricks. These bricks are comparatively lighter than traditional bricks, a repellent for insects. When cow dung is fired, the smoke they produce repel insects which also includes mosquitoes. This property has prompted some people to reconsider using it as an insect repellent. It is an intriguing fact in and of itself. As a fertilizer, cow dung must be removed from fields because dried pads decrease grazing area. Cow dung also emits methane which acts as a greenhouse gas in the environment. Some of the dung is carried into river systems as well as other water bodies by runoff, causing pollution in them with nutritional excess. Cow dung is a good fertilizer because it is high in mineral resources, particularly nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. When it is combined with soil, it promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria. Also, it can enhance soil texture and help in retaining moisture. Manure is frequently too high in certain chemicals and must be diluted or allowed to sit in the soil for some period of time before the planting of crops. Cow dung is very effective when it comes to skin diseases like eczema, etc. Modern products such as soap, cream, and powder are all made of chemicals which ultimately affect the skin's natural beauty. Modern products such as soap, cream, and powder are all made of chemicals which affect the skin's natural beauty. There is no other treatment as effective as Panchgavya. Applying cow milk, urine, and dung to the body and face would provide a natural glow. Friends, several Hindus believe that cows and everything they produce is sacred and purifying. Our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, who is also a Hindu nationalist, came forward to support the animals and launched a protection based initiative for them, as a result of which many states have prohibited the slaughter of animals for their meat. The party members of the BJP and folks residing in different parts of India have begun the practice of using cow urine to treat COVID 19 and other ailments. Furthermore, the Modi ji led government is working to increase the productivity of cow waste derived toothpaste, mosquito repellents, and shampoos. So, this was all about the topic. And for more information on cattle health and dairy products, keep watching Swadeshi VIP. Jai Gaumata.